channel. This is Relly, and for today's vlog or for today's video, i-unpouch ko na yung mga nabili ko sa Lazada and sa Shopee. So, most of these items are for like beauty remedies. Ang i-unpouch ko na natin is yung mga Lazada. So, eto, if nakikita nyo sa Lazada, meron yung parang mystery box or mystery pouch. So, this is just, if I'm not wrong, is 20 pesos lang siya. So, dalawa yung binili ko. So, i-open natin siya. And, hindi ko alam kung ano ang dito. Mystery talaga. Alright, so, yan. Well, what do you pronounce? Hindi ko paano siya i-pronounce, pero collagen eye mask. So, for one is 10 pesos. Dalawa yung binili ko. So, 20 pesos lang siya with free shipping pa. Alright, so eye mask. And then, alright, so bago ako bumili ng L'Oreal na ginamit ko sa hair ko, yung Golden Beige Blonde, bumili din ako sa Lazada nung 99 sales ng pag-highlight ng hair. But then, nauna kasi dumating yung L'Oreal, kaya ako nag-dye ng L'Oreal, which is okay naman yung kulay niya. And then, ito, maybe, magkukulay na lang ulit ako after a month. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng, pag na-color ka ng hair, like, papatungan mo siya agad. So, you have to wait until at least 3 weeks to 1 month. And then, ito, is first time ko lang marinig yung brand na to. Wow, so ang sweet naman ng seller kasi nagbigay siya ng free lip balms yan. Lipstick. Free lipstick, and then it says, "Dear customer, thank you very much for your trust, and as we will do our best to better products in the future." Wow! Ang sweet. May free siyang lipstick. Okay, open natin later. This is from Maybelline. So, may free lipstick siya. So, naka-bubble wrap. Tatlo yung binili ko. Dalawang white and isang gray. So, i-open naman siya. By the way, one box is 48 pesos. Alright, so medyo na-yupi yung box at medyo lumalabas na. Pero it's okay, hindi naman siya nabasag. Babalik ko na lang. By the way, nung pagkaka-receive ko nito, sinanitize ko na siya. And, yeah, like, a few days ago, bago ko siya binuksan. So, ito yung color. Isang 88.0 light blonde. So, pwede siya pang highlights ng hair. And then, dalawang ash gray na color. So, okay siya pang patong. Okay pang style lang ng hair. Pero hindi ko muna siya gagamitin. Because, kakakulay ko lang ng hair ko. Baka masira. And, wait lang. Yan. So, dalawang gray. I got 2 grays and 1 blonde. So, ang brand niya is Sweet Night Hair Color. It's permanent hair color. Based sa mga review niya, it's all, okay yung mga review niya, binasa ko hindi siya nakaka-damage ng hair. That's why I want to try it. Pero ang gagawin ko na lang siguro, guys, pag medyo lumabas na yung black ng hair ko, yung natural color ng hair ko, saka ko siya papatungan itong blonde, and lalagyan ko na lang yung dulo ng gray na to. But then, yeah, for this video, it's just purely unboxing or unpouching. But then, I will just make another video pag ginamit ko na sila. So, mag-open tayo ng isang box. Wow! Okay siya, guys. Kasi, for every box, may free siyang suklay na may brush, which is pang hair color talaga siya. Bumili pa kaya ako nito nung nag-L'Oreal color ako. Okay, so ito yung colorant niya. Collagen, Sweet Night, Organic, and argan oil. So, ito yung mga nabasa ko sa review niya, which is maganda daw. But then ito, medyo siya, nag-leak yata siya konti. Pero it doesn't matter, hindi naman nabawasan ng bongga. So, yun lang ang tatlong laman niya. And then, this is the conditioner. So, it comes with conditioner. Ito yung colorant, organic. And comes with the comb and the brush for coloring. And then, this is the developer, maybe. It's something like developer. So, yun guys, yun lang yung laman ng box for 48 pesos. Marami na siya kasi it's 80 ml times 2. So, 80 ml sila. 80 ml and 80 ml yung developer, and comes with the brush and the conditioner. So, yun, hindi ko na bubuksan yung dalawa. Anyway, it's the same. Alright, let's move on to another pouch. Yung Shopee naman ang bubuksan natin by J&T Express. By the way, ililink down below the description box ko na lang yung mga link ng mga products na to para at least mag-visit nyo yung reseller. Ito gusto ko, ang ginawa ko kasi dito, parang hinanap ko yung isang reseller na nagsisell nung lahat ng kailangan ko. So, kasi minsan nakakatamad maghintay ng per items kasi mas mahal yung shipping. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nung nakahanap ako ng product sa isang supplier na yon or seller, then naghanap ako ng ibang pangkailangan ko sa mga products niya. Para at least isang pouch na lang siya and mas makakatipid ka sa shipping. So, ito, from Shopee. And the reseller's name is Superstore 888. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. And then, let's open. Alright, so ito ang pinili ko dito guys is, nakita ko to, pero parang nayupi yung lalagyan. So, it's makeup brush na very handy. Kasi maliit lang siya pag nag-travel ka, pwede mong dalhin, hindi yung ang haba-haba. But, the only thing is, nayupi yung box. But, it's okay. Hindi naman siguro kasalanan ng seller or hindi mo din naman ang nangyari. Kaya okay lang, hindi naman na-damage yung product itself. Maybe I'll just buy brush pouch or makeup pouch para ilagay ko na lang doon. Anyway, medyo bulky pag itong box talaga yung paglalagyan mo. But it's okay. I think the quality is fine. And itatry ko siyang gamitin maybe in the future or for another video. And then, bumili din ako ng para sa blackheads kasi yun ang problema ko sa face ko, blackheads and whiteheads. So, it's the same brand with the eye mask na free. I mean, hindi siya free. Eye mask na nabili ko for 10 pesos. So, it's the same brand. And this is like pore strip. So, ililive mo siya and ida-dry mo and then ipipeel off mo. Which is mas effective for me yung ganito kaysa yung stick. Parang sticker siya. Anyway, I will try to use it as well and I will make a review on that. So anyway, it's 5 pesos each. So bumili ako ng 5. By the way, the brush is for 50 pesos only. Shopee from Superstore 888. And then next, ito yung pinaka gusto ko kasi ito yung pinaka-kailangan ko dahil mabalbon akong tao and I normally shave my legs or ito napanood ko siya on one of the reviews sa YouTube. It's Mefapo, sorry for the mispronunciation, pero hair enemy bubble hair removal. So, i-spray mo lang siya, spray type, magbabubble siya, and then leave it for 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and then madidetach na yung hair, and then just wipe off, and then i-rinse mo na yung skin mo. So, I will try to use this one later, kasi ito yung pinaka-excited ako. By the way, one is 78 pesos, so I bought 2. Pero I'm sure na okay siya kasi nanood ako ng mga reviews sa YouTube na okay siyang gamitin for hair removal. And yeah, that's all. Actually, ang mga nabili ko is below 50, below 10 pesos, below 20 pesos. And this one is below 100 pesos, which is worth it na kesa magpapaderma ka pa. And yes, it's quarantine, so we have our time to do self-pampering. And that's all for this video. The purpose ko is to show you yung mga nabili ko na mura, good quality, at based sa mga napanood ko is very effective. And yeah, for the next videos, maybe this one, gagamitin ko siya later. See you and thank you for watching guys. And I hope you do subscribe on my YouTube channel. For more upcoming videos, just click the bell button as well. Thank you and stay safe!